In 30-something years of my life, bro, the demons was all I knew, bro. And I ain't talking about the funny demons that people be like talking about. I got demons. No.
Yeah.
Like suicidal demons. Demons from me shooting a man, going to prison, never dealing with that. Coping with that. Seeing a man get set on fire in a cell with me, like normalizing that, being stabbed, being shot, like, nah, it's all right, I'm good. Doing all type of stuff, bro. And then the reason people don't even understand, but the reason why I don't smoke weed or drink alcohol no more is because when I drink or when I smoke, they get loud. And they have control. And so I had to stop drinking because they got loud. One day I really had to call a woman who I call my mother. I had to call her. I said, Ma, they loud. And I don't know how to fight them. I ain't strong enough. She said, boy, I'm about to pray for you. She said, turn that water on. Go get in that shower. Right now. Put that coat. Bro, I'm in the shower with all my clothes on, crying, and she is praying for me over the phone. I say, Ma, they loud. They too loud. And I say, I don't want to kill myself. I say, they too loud. I don't know how to fight them. Yeah. She said, boy, get in that cold water and I'm going to pray for you. And we ain't going to stop praying until you stop hearing them. She ain't had time to say, hold up, let me get in the car to come drive to you. She ain't had time for that. Remember I told you something, Jose? I said, Jesus was in the wilderness and all he had to fight the devil with was word on word. Bro, she gave me word. She gave me word, son.
Yeah.
Word. After that night, bro, I said, I am never smoking weed again.
Yeah.
Because I felt naked. I'm a man who walk around life strong. I'm a man who walk around life like in my mode. Bro, I ain't had nothing. I ain't had nothing.
Just the word.
Bro, I ain't have nothing. Bro, I ain't even have a word. All I knew how to do was call the most praying person I knew.
Yeah.
Ma, they loud. And I won't kill myself. But I don't want to. I ain't ready. I remember getting on my knees in the shower with all my clothes on, Jose, saying, God, I ain't ready. I say, I ain't ready. Well, this is like 2015. I just got found not guilty. But this what happen when you by yourself. That's why a man ain't meant to be alone unless God isolates you. Because we ain't equipped, cuz. So when my dog in that album talking about nigga demons chasing him, nigga, I know what that feel like.
You been there.
So I had to tell myself, bro, we not drinking no more. You know why? Because when I'm drinking, I'm in the club, it's all good. But when I get in the car and I'm by myself,
that's when they tap.
Here they go. Hey, remember us?
Yep. Right there.
Hey, remember when you did such and such, such and such?
Ooh.
You remember that? Oh, remember you made this deal with me and you told me, like, if I get you through this, because watch this, bro, the whole while I'm talking to God, if you let me, I'm going to tell you real talk. I tell you, bro, I should be in the streets doing street shit and be like, God, get me through this. God, like, I don't participate in none of that. But guess who is? I got you. Don't even trip. What you want to do?
Right.
You want to do that? Oh, I got you. Come on, let's rock.
And they almost sound the same.
When you can't distinguish.
Right. When you can't distinguish.
When you can't distinguish the two. Because you ain't got enough relationship with God to distinguish what he sound like and what old boy sounding like. So he like, hey, remember I got you through that lick? Remember you told me if I get you through this right here, I got you. I'm going to hold you down. So I don't know the difference. So now I'm drinking and it's like, yeah. Oh, let's go. Yeah, let's go. And now you in the car, I'm trying to roll the window down. I'm trying to turn the music up. But he louder than that because he internal. He louder than the music. He louder than the wind. He internally eat me alive. He internally eating me alive. My heart posture crooked. It's black. And that's the one thing he wants us to be, isolated, with no feelings, no emotion. Guess what? I got you. So I say, no. So listen, in the time of distress, guess what you do? God, help me, God. Help me. But guess what? He done got me so far from God. He done got me so far. I'm so far away. It's like a long distance phone call. And because I'm so far away, bro, I don't know how it sounds when he talking to me. So the next thing I know how to do is call somebody who I know. Pray for me. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. Ma, pray for me. Help me get home. I'm weak. I'm like an infant. I'm in a fetal position. I done cut my own umbilical cord. I need to be connected again. Because I'm empty. I'm empty, God. And so what you do, you trying to sleep with all these women to fill a void. You trying to drink all the alcohol to fill a void. You trying to smoke all the weed to fill a void. You trying to pop the pills to fill the void. You trying to hang around other people who broken to fill the void. Ain't no void, ain't no peace, ain't no fulfillment, ain't no purpose gonna come if you don't let God in there. So you gotta open the gate. So what I said, I'm not smoking no more, I'm not drinking no more, but I still was indulging in all the women, Jose. So I cut the two where I was weak and vulnerable, and I put myself in a situation, and I said, we're gonna use the women as the vice. We're gonna use the women as the vice. Now I realized he like, oh, I got you here too. No, I know what it takes. I got you here too. Because that's what you're gonna start doing now. That's what you're gonna start doing now. The women gonna influence you to smoke weed again. Because you're gonna feel like you gotta get high to get them high so y'all can be high. Or you gonna pop a pill so you can take a pop a pill so y'all can be, because you won't go get the pleasure. I got you again. I got you again. The same trick wrapped up in a new form. I got you again. So I'm back in the shower. God, I don't want to take myself this time. I just hit it one time. I ain't smoked the whole thing. I just hit it once. God, I just took a shot. I ain't even drank the whole Long Island. I just took a Patron shot. God, why are you doing this to me? I ain't even drink. That little shot, I'm trying to compromise. No. The vices is vicing. Everything you do that keep me between me being able to talk to you and deal with you, you can't hear me, son. You can't hear me. You distracted. And as long as you vulnerable, he got you. And guess what? Guess what, Jose? He not gonna never come if God don't give him permission. He can't sift us like wheat if God don't give him permission. The gap is there for a reason. Either you gonna learn through my word or you gonna learn through experience. Hopefully you learn through the word and not the experience, because the experience can take you out. The experience can take you out. And if the experience take you out, I can't tell you, good job, my faithful servant. Job well done, my faithful servant. I can't tell you that. I can't tell you that. I can't tell you that if you let the weed do it, or the pills do it, or the streets do it. I can't tell you that. Son, you got shot. You survived. Son, you was homeless. You survived. Son, you went to prison for 10 years at 16. You was a child amongst men. You've been stabbed twice. You survived. Son, you went to court. You got found not guilty. You survived. Son, you done been in multiple shootouts. You done been in robberies going bad. Son, you survived. Son, you done been 16. A girl set you up. You got the Mac 11 to your head. You survived, son. What else I gotta do? How many chances I gotta give you? How many times I gotta keep extending my grace? How many times I gotta keep giving you mercy? I let you shoot the man and not do life in prison. I let the man not die. You done shot the man 5 times with an assault rifle. The man ain't died. You got 10 years instead of life. Son, how many chances do I gotta give you before you realize I'm with you and I got a purpose for you? Son, hear me. Hear me. Because I don't want to take you out. I need you. I need you. You the perfect one. I need you in your form. I don't need you to be nothing else. I need you in your form. I need you. Yes, we're going to talk to him about money, but I need your testimony. I need you to talk to him because there's so many of them just like you. It's so many of them just like you. It's so many of them that feel broken. It's so many of them that feel like they don't got no way out. It's so many of them that feel like they by themselves. It's so many of them that won't kill themselves. Son, I need you. I need you. I need you. So I need you to get it right. And I need you to be consistent. I need you to make the mistakes. I need you. I need you. Son, I need you. Yes, I need you to go to therapy. But yes, I need you to get them spiritual men in your life so they can show you my way because you don't know it by yourself. I need you. This ain't about you. I need you, son. Listen to me. Hear me. Fast. Pray. Read. I need you, son. I need you. I need you to surround yourself around men who doing it the right way and have distance between yourself, between men who doing the wrong way because I don't need you to be influenced. I need you to go back and be the influencer. I need you. I need you because they listen to you. I need you because you are strong. I need you because they watch you go through it. I need you. I need you. Yes, it's going to be hard. Yes, you may not get everything you want, but I got what you need. I need you, son. You think yes, how you got through the airport with a pistol on you? Son, I need you. I'm protecting you. And the next time you go through the airport, they stop you for a pic. I'm showing you, I need you. I need you. Don't doubt me. Don't doubt me. Yield. Yield. Look back at our track record. You ain't got to look at Moses. You ain't got to look at Joshua. You ain't got to look at Abraham. You ain't got to look at Joseph. You ain't got to look at Job. Look at your own life and see how I've been there for you. Yield, son. Yield. And when you yield, you don't even much know how many people you're going to help. When you yield, you don't know how many people you're going to help come to me because they see you a certain way. I allowed you to be the Wall Street trapper. I allowed you. That ain't your thought. That ain't your concept. You thought you were just going to talk about money. I help you make money because I know for a fact that that's what they want. And you're going to be talked about. They're going to say all kind of stuff, but I need you not to focus on the noise because the noise takes you out of position. Do what I said, son. And when you get confused, come back to me. When you get off track, come back to me. When you feel like it's weak, come back to me. When the old version, you want to pop out because they talking noise, come back to me. Always come to me, son. Lean out on your own understanding. Come to me. I am going to equip you. Yield, son. Yield. And we gonna bridge. We gonna bridge. So I need you around people like Tobe, because y'all represent the same thing. I don't need you to be like nobody else. I got my own purpose, my own calling. I got my own assignment for you. Yield, son. Don't worry about what they say. Yield. It's gonna get hard. They gonna think you changed. They gonna think you did a lot of stuff. Yield, son. Yield. Do not do this by yourself. Yield, because obedience is better than sacrifice. Yield, son. Yield. To love me is also to suffer sometime. Yield, son. You gotta carry that. Yield, son. And I told you, if you follow me, you're going to have to carry that heavy cross. Yield, son. I don't want you to be like nobody else. Yield, I said. Yield, yield, yield. And the problem with a lot of us, we don't want yield. We won't do it our way.